Japan faces the impact of 7.4 magnitude earthquake on March 16, triggering a tsunami warning. Many videos emerge of powerful tremors and flashes in the sky in central Japan. 2 million homes in Japan's capital city and other cities were left without power after the earthquake. The earthquake has killed over 4 people and injured more than 100. The earthquake was centered off the coast at the Fukushima region at the depth of 60 kilometers, and shortly after it hit, an advisory for tsunami waves of 1 meter was issued for parts of the northern coast. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more news updates.